Hello guys, PH here. I came to the pond, see if we could catch anything. It's gonna get dark in like an hour, but it's so high that the trees are in the way, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to cast. The other spot I walk out on, it's underwater. Let's see if anything happens. Oh yeah, I think I got something. I was fishing here for hours. Oh, light pole. It's hard to reel in. Oh, no more of a beauty. A trip. Holy God. Nice one. I was ready to go home, guys. I was fishing for like an hour and it's gonna get dark probably soon. Look at that. It's how I was gonna give up. I didn't even fish with a leader or nothing. I was ready to leave. Where's my tool? I need it for this beauty. Look at the size. Ooh. Come on. Now, intermission. You don't want to let go. I got him. Let go. Look at the size of that beauty. Let's let him go. Holy smoke, I actually got one. Oh, that water's cold. There he goes. He's on the land. It's usually out there. Alright. Alright guys, I got one on this jig here. I got water in my boots and I was fishing. I was like, oh my God, I was ready to leave because I was been fishing for a while. Nothing, it's ice cold. So let's see if we could get any more. That was a beauty. It's like impossible to cast here because I'm like under the trees. We're supposed to be out further than these trees. Let's see what happens. Try that. My custom homemade bait. See what that does. Cast's good. Alright, nothing. It's getting dark and I'm freezing, guys. One fish. I guess it's better than a skunk. Oh, my feet are frozen. Alright guys, that's it for me. I'm freezing. It's getting late. It's dark now. I got one at least. I didn't get skunked, so it was worth coming out. I appreciate you all watching. Stay tuned for more adventures. This winter fishing's crazy. Sometimes you get nothing, sometimes you get one, sometimes you get a couple. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. PH out.